Hey everyone, my name is Shu. In this video, I want to show you my favorite apps on Apple Watch and 5 tips to get the most out of it. I got an Apple Watch about a month ago. I wasn't quite sure if I really needed it, but I'm so glad that I got it because it definitely improved my life in so many aspects. The first thing I love about Apple Watch is that it helps you better understand your lifestyle. What I mean by that is Apple Watch can give you a rich data about your sleep quality, how active you are, your heart rate and your heart rate variability, which is a very important indicator of your overall health. If you have the Apple Watch 6, you will also have blood oxygen sensor and ECG, but I got an Apple Watch SE which doesn't have these things because I didn't think I needed them for my age and lifestyle. Anyway, it's really interesting to see how your lifestyle affects the quality of your sleep and heart rate variability. For example, I often get a really poor quality sleep after eating or drinking alcohol just before bed, since I realized that I'm drinking much less and no snacking at night. If you're trying to drink or eat less, getting an insight like this might be really helpful. The second thing I love about Apple Watch is that it helps you stay active. Honestly, I was very skeptical of everybody saying getting an Apple Watch would make you more active. I was like, how would a watch get you move more? But they were right. Ever since I got my Apple Watch, I'm exercising much more than before. One of the reasons is the Apple's activity app. I think it's brilliant. It shows 3 rings. The blue one is your standing time, the green one is your exercising time, and the red one is your total calories you burned in the day. So if I stay inactive for the whole day, I'm going to see half circles like this, which makes me feel bad for being so lazy. So I usually go for a walk or do some workout to close the rings, which gives you a kind of sense of accomplishment, and exercising becomes much more fun. I always use Nike Training Club app for workout and yoga. It works seamlessly with Apple Watch and has a wide range of workouts and yoga programs, even though it's completely free. I usually do some yoga every morning for 10 minutes and before bed to relax. But the main reason why I got an Apple Watch is to use my phone less. I think many people struggle to use their phone without getting distracted. I'm one of those people. Every time I pick up my phone, I get sucked into doom scrolling on Twitter or Instagram, and a 5 minutes break becomes 10 minutes and 20 minutes. But with an Apple Watch, you can't do anything that steals as much of your time as checking social media. I love the fact that you can do just enough, but not everything on Apple Watch. You can do basic things like checking your schedule, sending a message, setting a timer, or playing music, but no more than that. I think that's perfect for reducing your screen time and actually getting stuff done. The first thing you might want to do is to reduce the notifications. The last thing you want from your watch is to vibrate every single time you get a notification on your phone. That would be too distracting and defeat the purpose of getting a smartwatch if your goal is to use your phone less and improve your concentration. All you need to do is just go to the watch app and notifications at the top. I'd recommend turning off the notifications by most of the apps, except for essential ones, like your calendar and to-do apps. But you can do this on your Apple Watch too. Whenever you get a notification you don't want, you can just swipe left and select turn off on Apple Watch. And if you want to really focus without any distraction, you can use the theater mode, which will turn off all the notifications and prevent the screen from lighting up. And then leave your phone in another room so you don't get tempted to pick it up. Finally, set a timer for 25 minutes to focus. You can use the default timer app, but I recommend this app called Focus because it's free to use on Apple Watch and it's designed specifically to help you focus. The second feature I found very useful is to unlock your iPhone with a mask on. So here in Japan, we still have to wear a mask in public because not many people got vaccinated yet. If you have an iPhone with Face ID, you have to type your password to unlock your iPhone, which was very frustrating for me. But if you have an Apple Watch on you, you can now unlock with Face ID. In order to do that, you just have to update your software to the most recent one on your iPhone and Apple Watch. Then go to the Face ID setting on your iPhone and turn on Unlock with Apple Watch. And that's it. Now you can unlock your iPhone even if you have a mask on. Another thing I love about Apple Watch is that you can speak to Siri just by raising your watch near your mouth. There are a million things you can do with Siri, but I usually use it to set a timer or create a reminder. Setting a timer is really easy with Siri because you can just say like 25 minutes and then it will do it for you. If you're planning to use Siri outside in public, you might want to turn off the voice feedback of Siri. By default, when you talk to Siri on your Apple Watch, it will reply with audio.
No, it's not going to be sunny.
It's fine, but when you use it around people, getting such a loud reply would be kind of embarrassing. So change the setting to control with silent mode and it will turn it off while your watch is on silent mode. This way you can use Siri without getting embarrassed in public. A great thing about smartwatch is that you can create multiple watch faces for your different moods and situations. For example, I have one for when I'm working, one for when I'm not working, and one for when I'm working out. As you can see, you can customize the color, style, and complication too, so you can create a watch face that suits your workflow or needs. I usually use this watch face so I can see things like the weather, calendar, timer, and activity. But when I'm working, I switch to another watch face where I have my schedule, focus timer, and breather for short meditation break. So when I want to work or study, I just start the focus timer and I can take a brief break with Breathe app to relax or check my schedule with Fantastical. Then when I go to the gym or go for a walk, I change it to this watch face so I can see my rings and start tracking my workout. There are so many possibilities in what you can do with your watch face, so it takes some time to experiment to find the ones that work the best for you. Finally, I just want to talk about this Breathe app again because I think it's the best app on Apple Watch. For a long time, I've been wanting to make meditation a habit, but I couldn't. But Breathe is a great entry point for people like me to slowly start including deep breathing and meditation in their lives. You can start a breathing session just by tapping the little button. It only takes 1 minute and you can do it anywhere. I sometimes do it on the train, but it's surprising how much difference 1 minute of deep breathing can make. After each session, I feel calmer and more relaxed, and you can literally see your heart rate drops by 5 or even 10. So I recommend keeping this app on your watch face so you can access it anytime you need it. Alright, so that was my tips for getting the most out of your Apple Watch. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!